Hello you guys, what is up? Usually I come here with a bare face and show you how to put makeup step by step and everything, and then I show you my complete look and that's it. Video khatam. You don't get to see what happens when I'm done with the video. When I'm done shooting, I remove this makeup nicely and do my little bit of skincare, because taking care of your skin post makeup is such an important step in your skincare and it can make a huge difference in your skin. So I decided I'll show you today how I take off this makeup and take care of my skin, just to make sure it's healthy, it's good, my pores are not clogged and my skin is breathing nicely. And yeah, you can see I have pretty good skin. Touch wood, I don't have wood near me, but yeah, please. I have pretty good skin, but if you don't take care of it, it will just, in matter of days, it will just become from kya se kya. It can literally get changed if you don't take care of it. So yeah, you're gonna see it. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button here, the red button that you can see, and also click the bell icon so that every time I post up a new video, you get the notification. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first I remove my fake eyelashes and lenses, but today I'm not wearing falsies, I'm just wearing lenses, so I'll just take this off. Before placing these lenses back in the cases, I'm just cleaning them with the lens solution. Very important, otherwise this will just get contaminated and it's not good for your eyes and it might just sting you badly, like real bad. So it's so important to keep your lenses clean. I'm just putting them back in the case. Lenses are back in their cover. वैसे तो you must have seen me without lenses a lot of times. I have filmed a lot of videos, but in case you haven't, this is how I look without my lenses. Lenses make such huge difference in your looks. Like I cannot film any makeup tutorial without lens. And thankfully there was a time when wearing lens was such a headache, because मुझे खुद को आता नहीं था या फिर मेरी आंखें बहुत सेंसिटिव थी और बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे पेन होता था. मैं बहुत एक्चुअली फ्रीक्वेंट हो गई हूँ प्रैक्टिस के साथ, तो आई एम जस्ट लाइक नाउ टच वुड नज़र ना लगे, क्योंकि जिस दिन नहीं होता उस दिन नहीं होता. लाइक नो मैटर हाउ मच यू ट्राई, इतना ज़्यादा ऐसे स्टिंग करेगा ना, मतलब ऐसा लगेगा कि बस हो गया. नाउ आई एम जस्ट टाइंग अप माई हेयर क्विकली, अदरवाइज बाल बीच में आ जाएंगे. ये बहुत ही रिलीविंग होता है ऐसे बाल बांधना आफ्टर आई एम डन विद माई वीडियो, सीरियसली. Now the next step is to remove this makeup. Now most of the people just straight go with their face wash and they just rub their face vigorously to get rid of makeup, because easily makeup bahar nahi aata hai, especially your waterproof makeup. But let me tell you, that is such a wrong way to remove your makeup. This will definitely damage your skin, because you are literally tugging your skin and doing what not with it. So you should always use a makeup cleanser to take off your makeup, even if it is everyday makeup, because kajal, mascara, lipstick, whatever basic products you are using, they just don't come off with simple face wash. And doing this and just handling your skin so widely is just not recommended. My favorite way of removing makeup is to use micellar water. This is from Garnier. It is their oil infused cleansing water. You can take this on your cotton pad to remove your makeup, but I like to use it on my microfiber makeup remover. You can use this with water as well, but I just like to use micellar water. And now I'll just remove my makeup with this. See, this has taken off my makeup completely. You can't even see a trace of makeup on my face. Although there is no makeup on my face, but still it is not 100% clean. You should always double cleanse your face just to make sure there is no residue of makeup. So yeah, I will be just washing my face nicely with my regular face wash. I'm just taking my toner. This will just calm my skin. By the way, in case you are wondering which toner I use, this is actually Face Shop Rice Water Toner. I have transferred the content into the spray bottle. Now I'm just taking my moisturizer to moisturize my skin really well. I'm using the simple hydrating light moisture, but you can literally use any moisturizer. I'm just warming this up a bit in between my palms. Applying this nicely on my face. Now sometimes I also use hyaluronic acid serum or vitamin C serum going on with moisturizer. Today it's almost morning. Wait, what time it is? Yeah, it's 2:43, so I'm confused whether I should do my night time skin routine or morning. So yeah, I'm just going with my basic skincare. Now my skin is moisturized well, but because my skin went through a lot of makeup, lights and this camera on my face, so I just really like to pamper my skin a little bit and use some nice hydrating face oil. So the one that I use mostly is this Indulgeo Rose Gold Oil. It comes in this package, whatever. So yeah, this is how it looks. You can literally skip this step if you think your skin is good, if you are feeling good. But honestly, whenever I remove my makeup, my face feels so tired, as if it is craving of something. So I just like to pamper it. So I'm using this rose gold oil from Indulgeo today. Just giving it a good shake. Just pumping out the entire product. Just warming this a bit and applying it on my face. I'm just leaving my skin like this. It might be looking very oily in the camera, but actually my skin is feeling so much better and calming right now. And in just few minutes, my skin is going to soak up this oil, leaving my face very radiant, very beautiful and moisturized, obviously. Now your super matte, long lasting liquid lipsticks, they just dry out your lips so bad that once you remove your makeup, you should immediately take care of your lips. You should make sure that you give their hydration, moisturization back so that they can look healthy and they don't feel uncomfortable. Okay, like see my lips, they are bare, I have nothing on them, and see how dry and lifeless they look because I just removed my lipstick. And you know, most of my lipsticks are long staying matte lipstick, so it will definitely dry out your lips. So to make sure that they are healthy and moisturized and just so beautiful again, I will apply some lip balm on them. And yeah, this is the lip balm that I have with me. This is from Earth Rhythm. It is Earth Rhythm Beetroot Extract Pomegranate Flower Lip Mask Overnight Intensive Treatment. So this is what I'm going to apply. You can literally use any hydrating lip balm that works for you, and if you don't have a lip balm, you can simply use your Vaseline petroleum jelly on lips. I'm just a lip balm person, and you will always find a lip balm in my bag, makeup everywhere. So I'm just quickly applying them because my lips are just feeling so uncomfortable and dry, and this is not something I'm used to. My lips, skin, everything would be hydrated all the time. So yeah. I'm feeling normal again. The feeling of removing makeup and doing your skincare and your skin is back to this healthy, moisturizing and bouncy. It's just so unmatchable. It's just so relieving. Anyways, that is how I get unready. That is how I remove my makeup and take care of my skin so that it doesn't break out, it doesn't go crazy, and yeah, basically it remains healthy, good, nourished, and exactly the way I want. So yeah, every time you're doing makeup, just make sure you remove it once you are done. Do your basic skincare. I hope you enjoyed watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.